Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with black roof rails, front pedestrian braking, OnStar emergency communication system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated driver and front passenger seat, preferred equipment group 1SL, USB charging ports, Buick infotainment system, automatic emergency braking, heated front seats, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.